Okay, guys, market tour time. A lot of music playing in here. They have a giant truck full of speakers. And maybe a band. Hello. I think that guy's having way too much fun for middle of the afternoon. There might be a band in the truck. I'm not sure. We'll take a look at it when we get to it. Tons of food here. This market is new. It's only the second week it's been here. It's every Wednesday. I'm not sure if that guy's drunk or he's got other issues. Tons and tons of food. That's for sure. A lot of fresh food. It's an evening market. It's about 4 o'clock right now. But tons of cooked food. Should be a good one. And it's right in the jungle. There's 2 parking lots here, one on each end. It's very, very long. This is in Mahasalakham province, northeast Thailand. And I think this would be a busy market. It just stopped raining. It rained most of the day. As you can see, it's getting busy. Everybody's cold except me. I wonder why. Now am I? She's just shaking. It's a beautiful day. The nicest day all year. That is an octopus. This squid does not look very good. Somebody's got a net across right there in the lake. This is raw crab salad, yeah? Yeah, it is. Look at this. One old lady makes a joke and now everybody's laughing. She got it started. Quite a picture, huh? Feels nice and warm too. Look at all of this chicken. Thailand fried chicken. Best in the world. See in the bag? Chicken skin. Moving. Grilled pork. I've never seen these before. They're delicious. I just had one. I'm gonna come back and get some of these, I think. I think that guy's important, or at least thinks he is. Okay, this. Go, go, go. Yeah. More. Nice app. Nice app. More fried chicken. And the French fries.
สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีครับ
ครับ
Thai fish cakes. Cooked in a bowl, you see that? That's just a big bowl. There's what they look like when they're done. Deep fried sandwiches, which I have shown before. Maybe not on this channel. Look at these beauties. Salt crusted tilapia. Very nice. Grilled pig's ear. And that's when the band started. The rest of this video will be a voiceover, unfortunately. But what do you do, right? No idea. Seen it many times, don't know what it is. Those are quail, all male quail. If you look closely, you can see the testicles. They're still in there. And some chicken, of course. And there's the band. There is a band in this truck. These things are quite popular now. They drive around, play the music, street parties, things like that. Quite popular. And they're very, very loud. Look at all the speakers up there. As the day went on, I was there for about an hour, I guess. I got busier and busier. All these people are selling lottery tickets. That is ripe. This lady picked more than she could afford, I think. She was putting some back. Octopus balls. Very popular in Korea. Thailand crepe. It's a mystery, some of the things that goes on in these crepes, but they're very popular. There was at least 2 vendors here selling them. Well, that's it, guys. Another market tour done. Sorry about the voiceover, but what can you do? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And we'll see you in the next video. Why not pick another one before you go? Watch one more.